I just like learned this song, Halo by Beyonce. It's almost 10 a.m. and I have not been to sleep. I'm just so excited, and I'm probably gonna mess up because I'm so excited, and I'm probably just gonna, yeah, lose my mind. But this is Halo by Beyonce. Okay, I just messed up. I'm gonna try again. 3 tries and I'm done. Oh god. Wait, that doesn't count. I'm like sneezing. Okay. Here we go, second try. Third try. Oh my gosh, I almost had it that time. Okay, I'm gonna do one more try. One more. One more. Oh god. Wow, I just like went brain dead. I'm gonna stop this and do another one. This might go on YouTube because, well, it's funny because I like randomly started sneezing, and I kept saying I was gonna do it in 3 tries, and it took me like 6. So I failed, like, terribly. But I did play it once, but it wasn't recorded, of course, because of my luck. I need some more allergy medicine. Bye.